Here I am at my job site for the day. I'll be cleaning a metal roof and the entire house. Here's the metal roof on the front side of the house.
The buckets are full.
Here's the carport area. Here's the other side of the carport and the back side of the house. As you can see, this is a significant size metal roof. Here I am taking a little break to show you progress of the job where I'm at. Up here, algae is dead. Basically what we're doing now is we're just rinsing it off. This is the last section of roof that I got to clean. Here's the front side. Want to give you guys an up close view of it. Quite dirty, as you can see. This black mold is very hard to kill off. Takes longer. I had to spray several solutions. Here's the other side. And here's the whole roof I'll be getting clean. Alright, here's the roof. Up close spot on the front. All nice and clean. All clean, front side. All done with the roof. It's taken approximately 4.5 hours to complete the whole roof on this house. This front side was very bad. It was the worst. It had a lot of that black mold on it. Here, you can see it looks nice and shiny. Here's the other front side of it. You guys a full view back up. This is the carport roof on the back side. Oh, that roof really looks good. Alright, here's the back of the side of the roof.